Usimbun Menteri Rangba Bakmi Eka Kampo Ying Ba Preston Tinsong Hagasngi Balang Ula paidbah Eka District Level Grievance Redressal Portal Ha East Khasi Hills Kaban Pinsuk Iki paidbah Bakin Bu Iki Jing Ujor Badban Boot Din Yiki Rai Balashim Yagani ka portal la Plie Hapo ka office jong u Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills Haga Jingedon Ringkat u DC ka East Khasi Hills District Abhilash Baranwal ki Magister Bat Kiwi Habakran hagajing lang uba preston ulong ba kajing Plie kani ka portal kan Plie lat iki paidbah bakin pha ikijing ujor ki jongki da ka basule online bat kini ka sinjam kelas dang na East Khasi Hills bat on sapenyar pat chekeleng ki district jong ka chilla ulong magajing tumu jong ka sarkar kalaman pentikna ba man la kinong songsnong la ki de ki basa hakanu kanu ka jagaru kin la banyo ikilat ai jingshakri jong ka sarkar bat ban pha shim khia ikijing ka bakimat Klamdadan kamshu ban lehi daladi ban ujor.
In fact, the intention of the government is very clear. We would like to reach out to each and every important citizens of the state, meeting those grievances that they have, meeting all those issues where they have, be it individually or up to the village level or the area level or whatever. Okay, so this initiative is very, very helpful. And let me tell you one thing again, few initiative has been taken by the DC East Khasi Hills. For example, see now we wanted to bring down the government up to the doorstep of the citizens of the state. So what we have done is recently, I think the DTO, now we have instructed them that even driving license can be provided from the BDO office. Okay, so this is the intention of the government. I'm telling you, we will make sure that this intention reach out to all the stakeholders up to the grassroots level. So this is the humble beginning, and I'm very sure, as I said to you, as we go on, we'll be able to make sure that this delivery system that we have in place will reach out easily to all the stakeholders in the state of Meghalaya.